Next, we need to define a kind of data structure to display the rating star for books in our website. You see, in the book domain model class, we have only the average rating in the type float, whereas in the website, we represent the average rating in stars: 1 star, 2 stars, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, and even half of star, as you can see here. For example, if the average rating for this book is 4.5, so the last star is yellow a half, you see. So we need to define a kind of data structure to display the rating stars for the book. And I recommend to use the following data structure. From the average rating number in a float type, I will convert it to a string. For example, here you see the average rating is 3.0,